What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. I was going to say quick episode, but it's not going to be a quick episode because I've been doing so many of them. I said I'd rather give you a longer video. On today's episode, we'll be covering DDE, TJ Hunt, and Ideal Media and a few others as well, guys. If you like this kind of stuff, please do check out my other videos, just give my thoughts and opinions, and do get involved. It'd be great if you want to smash the subscribe button, and even better if you smash the like button. That would really help. Every subscription is great, guys. We're aiming for 2,000 subs. Also, if you want to hit me up on my Instagram, it'll come up here. If you want to send me on any links to stories or have a discussion about cars, my DMs are always open. If you're a car channel that modifies cars and want to come on for a podcast, please do let me know as well. About podcasts, guys, I will make a video Saturday explaining what happened with the Will Motivation podcast, just the technical details, and basically just show you that I actually did do it and what happened. I did email him back to apologise. I haven't heard back from him, but I'll make a full video on Saturday for you because yeah, it fucking sucks, and I was really pissed off that what happened, but it wasn't really my fault. It was OBS's fault. But I'll explain everything on Saturday. So let's jump into today's video. We got to kick it off with DDE, guys. So as you probably, a lot of you watch my channel are big DDE fans. They went to Lamborghini of Vancouver and they revealed the new spec STO, Huracan STO. And before I even give my thoughts and opinions, I want to ask you guys straight off the bat, should DDE buy this car? And what do you think of it? Is there stuff you love, that you hate? My answer to this is fucking hell yes. My god, this colour on it, out of all the colours they had there, this colour for me is unfucking real. I love this colour. It's like, it's paint, but it looks like the satin red chrome you get in a wrap, and the air duct in it, the wheels, it's so aggressive looking. It's got a manual wing as well, carbon bits everywhere, and Dave was just like, should we have bought it and put it in order? This spec with those black wheels, for me, my god, I love it. I absolutely think it's stunning, and the interior is gorgeous as well. I think he said 395,000 Canadian dollars, which I'm not too sure is in US. I'm presuming around 300,000, maybe 295,000 US. But wow, what a machine. They need to buy this for the channel. Now they're probably saying people will buy it and it'll come up on the market as secondhand as well, which could probably happen. But let me know, guys, what you think. Should they buy it? Should they not buy it? Do you want to see them get something else? Supposedly they are the #1 ambassadors for Lamborghini on YouTube. But yeah, I mean, I was blown away. I was not expecting this car to look this sick, and I really think they should have it on their channel. Hopefully they do get it. When the colours came up, I was looking at all the bright colours. I like the blue there. I'm not the biggest fan of yellow. The orange was really nice in there. But that red for me, out of all the colours there, would be my pick. If I had the money, that would be the spec I'd be getting it. That is just me. Let me know what spec you would want it in the comments below, guys. Be interested to hear what you say. Remember, I bring up your comments every Sunday, and I do read all your comments and reply to them as well. Next up is going to be TJ Hunt. So TJ Hunt's latest video was him taking his Porsche 911 GT3 RS out with his girlfriend, and basically taking it for a spin around the place and just kind of showing what it can do. And my god, it's just, when you get a reaction like this from TJ Hunt, you know it's a serious car and it's well worth the money. So I'm just going to give you a quick clip, guys, just to hear the sound. And this is with a standard exhaust. He's putting exhaust onto it. Now he's not getting the JR exhaust. I was hoping it's the same one as DDE, but he's getting Magnaflow custom made exhaust. But still, this is standard and it sounds fucking sick. There you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the GT3 RS. Again, another car, if I had the money, boom, straight away I'd be buying one. Putting exhaust that Dave has on his GT3 RS. Unbelievable sick spec cars. They're so nice. I really do like them. I mean, I really started to like Porsches the last 2 years, but the GT3 RS has really kind of made me like really want one. Not that I could afford one because I'm a fucking poor ass, but if I had the money I would definitely want to get one. But yeah, I mean, just the way he drives that car around like in this clip is insane. He's really concentrating, and the thing is just stuck to the road. You know, it's absolutely nuts. Sabrina is in the passenger seat like going car, like screaming. I was on the treadmill in the gym watching it, just giggling away, because you can see like it's such an unbelievable car and well worth the money. You know, I don't know, are the GT3 RSs appreciating or depreciating in price? I've no idea. I'm presuming appreciating because they're such a great car. But yeah, check it out, guys. I've never really watched anybody just do these full in-car videos of them just going, you know, driving around the roads, but it shows what an unbelievable great car it is. I would have loved to have seen the speedometer and the tachometer on his car to see what speeds he was doing, because it looked like it was fucking quick. But yeah, great video. I highly recommend to go check it out. Next up on this, guys, is going to be Supercars London. I haven't covered this guy in fucking ages. I mean, he covers stuff, but his channel's gone like just, the views are gone shit. I'm surprised. It looks like he's trying to up his game, and I was surprised that, like, the reason I'm covering this is because he did get some really good shots of it, and I just wanted to see what you guys think of this. So it's the RS e-tron GT. Now, the one he got flown up from London on a fucking private jet. Jumps into the RS e-tron GT, and the spec he has is the full carbon spec. Like, so it's £133,000, which is probably around 165,000 US thereabouts, I'm guessing, for this spec for an electric motor car. And I mean, for that kind of money, like, I don't know, I would rather get a 720S. Or, you know, a Lamborghini or something like that. I mean, it is a really cool looking car. I do really like the shape of it. It's like, it's mad. It's like a coupe / saloon. I don't know. It's really different looking. The one thing I don't like about it is I really like the wheels, apart from the silver bits that are in it. I'm not a fan of like wheels that are covered up too much like that. The rest of it is really nice. So I really like the headlights on it. But to spend that kind of money, to spend £133,000 sterling on a car that basically the sound of it came from a guy kicking a steel tube out his back garden and putting it in to the development team. No thanks. I would rather actually spend my money on a nice V10 or V12 and straight pipe the shit out of it and hear it scream when you're driving it. Like, it's just not for me. The only way if I had the money to buy an electric car is obviously if it had Tesla Roadster when it comes out. If you're rich, like, you know, that's the car you want. That's the one you want to hold on for. Maybe the Porsche Taycan, but yeah, you know, again, I just have to hear that engine noise. But let me know what you think of it in the comments below, guys. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Would you buy one if you had the money? Next up is going to be 888. The guys up in Dublin here in Ireland. Again, guys, if you haven't seen this channel, they're from Dublin here in Ireland. They do great modified cars. Like, they really do some great stuff. And I'm bringing them up because for my American viewers, I wanted you to see, if you want to go over and check out in the link in the description below, one of their latest videos was they went up to Northern Ireland. So Northern Ireland, Southern Ireland, they went up. It's like just over an hour drive up there to a car coffee meet. But it'll give you an insight on kind of the cars that we have between Northern Ireland and Southern Ireland at car meets, what the kind of stuff we have. There were some really, really nice cars there. I was surprised at the kind of lineup that was there, but it'll give you an insight to kind of what's around. Obviously, the cars that were up there were mostly invited by the guys that were setting it up that knew these people. But, like, you know, his wide-body Porsche that was there is sick. The Super that they have is absolutely nuts as well. There were some really good spec cars up there. Somebody asked me why didn't I go up. First of all, I didn't know it was on. Second of all, that is like a 4-hour journey away from me, and it's too long. But hopefully I'm planning to hopefully get up to these guys soon in the next month or two to go up and do a vlog and get to see the cars that they have and check out the Porsche. They did invite me up, so if you're watching, guys, thanks a million. I will definitely get up to you as soon as I can. And yeah, guys, they bought a Kai truck as well from Japan. They're modifying the Kai truck. I'd highly recommend go check it out. That's what you do with car channels, guys. Keep modifying cars, and I love seeing Irish people or Irish car channels actually doing it, and these guys do it properly, and it's really worth the content to watch. So go check them out, maybe even give them a sub. Link in the description below. Last up on the list is going to be Ideal Media. So Ideal Media came out with their top 8 cars for students under $3,000. It was a very variety of a list, I would say, and basically all these cars they found were in California, which is like a really expensive state in the States. But the list was good. I mean, it wouldn't be something I would be interested in. There was some really like the Jeeps. There was a Jeep inside there as a pick. Like it wasn't your normal Miatas and stuff like that, but one of the car for me on that list was the Lexus GS 300. And if you guys know about that car, it came with the 2JZ in it, the NA and the twin turbo. And he found one like they're all automatic. He found one for like, I think it was 3,200 or thereabouts. And yeah, like that car, like guys, I would love to get one for the channel, but all these big leader JDM cars that you would find in the States, like to find them here, they're gone. Back in the day, years ago, back in the modified days here in Ireland, you could get them because they were so cheap to import from Japan, and then our government was like, fuck this, like we're just going to up the import tax to bring in cars, and it really kind of killed off the Irish car scene. One of the reasons. But like for me to get one, I'd have to import one from Japan. You'd be looking at like 10,000-11,000 to probably get one, and it's just, I wouldn't have that kind of money. But it's a great list, guys, from Ideal Media. I highly recommend go check it out. I would like to see them do a list on the top 10 best body kits on cars. I like their favorite body kits. That would be pretty cool. But they do some really good lists inside there, and highly recommend go check it out and let me know what your top 2 cars you would buy for under $3,000 in the description or in the comments below, guys. That'd be pretty sweet. So that's it for today. Thanks a fucking million if you watched to the end. The usual spiel, you know how it goes. Again, do smash the all subscribe button for for the fucking laugh. Why not? And even better, all you regular commenters and people that are already on the channel, you legends, just please keep smashing the like button, guys. It just helps the channel get seen and grow. And yeah, so tomorrow's episode, the big one, I'll let you know what happened with with Will Motivation podcast, and also I'll let you know where I am at as well with trying to get money towards starting to get more content, vlogs and more podcasts as well. So until then, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.